Welcome back to the channel. There's only a few more days left of driving this car. There's snow in the forecast. It's like -3 degrees right now, so we're suited up, nice and heavy clothing. We're gonna go for a little top-down cruise and freeze our ass off. So unfortunately, the driving videos are coming to an end, so I'll be heading back into shop videos for a while. So if there's anything else that you want to see shop related, like modifications or whatever, let me know and I will try and get to them. All right, let's get on the highway and do a little pull. Woo, baby. She's screaming. Sitting over half on my coolant temp. This hasn't happened since the start of the year. I fixed everything. Not sure why. That's weird. I'll have to dig into that. I'll have to let it cool off when I get there. It should be okay for now, but this was happening a lot last year, and then I replaced the piece that was slightly leaking. That's super annoying. Well, it's BMW, the problems never stop. It's actually been super reliable this year. I've had a lot of, I've done a lot of hard driving, and it hasn't had any issues. We're just getting to town, we're gonna go get a burger. It's the weirdest thing, but I got a craving for McDonald's, and I haven't eaten McDonald's for like 2 years, so I don't know. I'm probably gonna regret it as soon as I eat it. I'll be back with my burger. Got my McDonald's. It just smells like it's gonna taste bad. I'm gonna regret this in about 15 minutes. Come on, Bubsy, let's go. Well, that was the worst burger I've had in about 2 years since the last one I had. I already don't feel good. Well, it looks like the overheating fixed itself again. Super weird how it happens. I don't know why it does it, but as far as I know now, the whole system is sealed. Everything is new. I think other than the rad's new. Everything's new. So there's no reason that I should have any issues. Well, it was fun while it lasted. I'm hoping I'll get another video done. I should have it done. Well, it was fun while it lasted. I'm gonna have another video being made in a couple of days. I got a volleyball tournament, so I might do some sort of like vlog style video, driving out there, playing some volleyball, driving home. You know, nothing crazy, but it should be cool. And then after that, I'm just waiting for a snowstorm so I can take it out for one quick spin in the snow before they start dumping salt. Because when they dump salt here, I mean, they dump salt and it's disgusting. I don't know why they do it, but like it's just a disgusting amount of salt and it needs to stop, but they're not going to, so I can't drive my car in the winter, especially after all the body work and everything's been done. So yeah, we're gonna leave this here. Thanks for watching.